You got time to be fooling with bolts and all that kind of stuff. Get to a good welder. He did a magnificent job welding this piece together. What's happening, y'all? Back at it again, Bryant 365. I keep telling y'all, deer season does not have an off season. My project today got a 55-gallon drum, and I got an all-season feeder, protein feed head. I put it together. I'm gonna paint it up, and then I'm gonna set it out in the woods. But before I got to all of that, I ordered the all-season feeder head, and I liked it. I took it. I thought I was gonna upgrade one of the Boss Buck feeders. Didn't like how it fit. It wasn't stable. So I went back, and plus I want something that is going to be varmint proof. These varmints are out here. They'll eat you out of house and home if you let them. So I got the 55-gallon barrel, all metal, galvanized, all-season feeder head. And this ain't nothing new. People have been doing this for a while, but I'm gonna show you how I put mine together. I took it down, had them welded the pieces together to the barrel, so no bolts, no nothing. Nice, solid weld. They did a great job. Old JW Welding over there on the other side of town. They did a great job, and I got it welded together in one piece. So I took the all-season feeder protein head, the protein plate, they welded that together. I got some paint. I'm gonna paint it up, and then I'm gonna take it out in the field. I'm gonna show you some of the other parts that I got to go with this feeder to make it work. You got time to be fooling with bolts and all that kind of stuff. Get to a good welder. He did a magnificent job welding this piece together. The head from all season feeders, welded down to the plate, and then welding it to the barrel. Did a wonderful job, wonderful job. Shit, even down on the inside, old citrus barrel. Got the welder to cut the hole, weld that plate in there. Everything looks good, everything's solid. Don't have to worry about bolts or anything. Good stuff done right here. A lot of these barrels will come with their own lid, but I prefer to replace them with a high quality galvanized lid. And then you see I got the paint here, flat earth brown, flat deep forest green, and then flat black, all flat colors, just to help with the camouflage. And then we're gonna do a quick little paint job here. You can see I paint really fast. Put the lid on, get that painted, and then you see the finishing product. Yes, I know it's got a little bit of drip and a little shine right there, but let it sit, let it dry for a couple of days, and the finished product is gonna be a thing of beauty when I set it out in the woods. As far as the legs, I use some old Moultrie legs to prop up the feeder, but these Moultrie Generation 2 feeder feet will actually help me stake it into the ground. You can see there, they got a little bite at the bottom, at the base of it, and then they got the stakes that you can put through in the ground. So they work really, really well. And once you get it put all together, you can see flat colors there. Even painted the hopper, got the feed there, adjusted it. On, like I said, the old Moultrie legs and the old Moultrie barrel band. So this feeder put together really well, should last a really long time. And if you look at this video, the bucks have no problem going to it.